Hi everyone, it's Cindy. Welcome to my video, and I'll be showing my slime collection at this video, and I hope you guys like it. And I'll be giving away my slime. You just need to leave comment down below right there, and you give my slime. You can follow me and email me your address, so I'll pick like 10 persons to give the slime. So I hope you guys like it and get on the video. So here's all my slime collection, and I'll be starting with this crunchy one. This is a foaming slime. Okay, try to get this off there. And there it goes. This one. I love it a lot. So yeah, here. So this is the first slime that I'm giving away. Like it's very stretchy and it's clear slime. So first one is done. Move on to the second one. And this is another foam slime. And this is green tea, smells really good. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's also foam in there, a little foam. I can't stop smelling this. This is such a good slime. This is like a butter slime, so it's not that stretchy, but it smells so good. Yeah, so this is from Slime Package. So yeah, this slime is This is a clear slime. I just made it like yesterday, but it's still not gonna be clear because you need the slime. You need to put it for a few days, and it will be slime. So I just put it like for 1 day. It's not still clear slime yet. So well, it's touchable and not. It's breakable. Let's just say that. So the slime is making a mess right now. So I'm gonna put away the slime because this is not gonna be stretchy. Next slime is this shampoo slime. I use the Suave Kids one. Let's move it down a little bit. This is my shampoo slime. And it's super jiggly. This is Suave Kids one. It smells really good, but it's not like stretchable, like stretchy. It's not very stretchy. And on the next one, this one. This is a jiggly slime. Let me take out all the slime. This one is my favorite slime. Look, it's jiggly and it's satisfying. And you make really good noises. This is the second slime that I'll be giving out, and I really miss this slime. Second one is sand slime. I actually bought this sand slime. Yeah, this is a sand slime, and this is a color changing slime. So as you can see, this is changing to yellow. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is color changing. Okay, this is the third slime that I'll be giving out. What is it? Not a slime. This is just sand, but I call it sand slime. And I love it too. And this is crunchy slime. Okay, this is a crunchy slime. I use rice. Interesting fact: if you don't have like crunchy stuff to make your slime crunchy, you can just use the rice to make it crunchy. If you ask me if it works, but I'm just gonna say it definitely works and it makes super crunchy than the foam. Love it. I will not be giving out this slime, but this slime is still sticky. Yeah, here's a red one. This is red butter slime. Okay, the slime smells like strawberry. I put flavor in this. This is very soft. Even though it's not stretchy, but it's super soft. Move on to the next one. This one is chocolate slime. And this is also a clear slime. I don't know if you can see, but it's completely clear. Okay, on the camera, it doesn't show any clear, but it is clear slime. Like right now, I can see deep through, but the camera's not showing the deep. I can right now see the deep through. Like this is all completely whole clear blue slime, but it's just not showing it. So this is this is the fourth slime clear I'm gonna give out. Here's is a purple butter slime. And it is also satisfying, see? Also really soft, and I love satisfying slime. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching it. Okay, I can't stop touching it. This is so soft. So yeah, next one. Okay, this one is my rainbow slime. So this is pink plus blue equals purple. So I don't want to mix this all together because I want to keep it. And this is the last slime I'll be giving out. This is crunchy slime. Next one is this clear slime. Okay, I have trouble taking this out. This is very soft. And this one is not really stretchy, but it's also soft. As you can see, it's not very stretchy. So hopefully I'll get it more softer putting it in the hot water. I don't know if you guys know that. I'll make it softer. Wait. Okay, next one. It's a bunch of them. And these four are foaming slime. I'm just gonna show. Here is a purple one. Yeah. And here is a pink one. Pink. There's a blue bean in there. It'll make it purple because pink plus blue equals purple. And here's a crunchy slime right here. Right, there's a lot, but show you guys this one. This one is a really soft one, and it smells like, even though it's brown, but I add flavor like mango in there. And other crunchy slime right here. This is pink purplish with very beautiful glitter in there. This is a stretchable slime. And here's foam slime. So yeah, and I'll show you guys what I'm giving out. This one, this one, this one. Okay, that's so far. This one. It's gonna put away a little bit over there.